Big Boss breaks all box office records in Hong Kong and in many countries around the world. Bruce realizes he has found his real home and moves his family to Hong Kong. They move into this house in Kowloon, and the family quickly adapts itself to the new pace of life. Bruce takes his filming seriously, and it is soon impressed upon Brandon and Shannon that it would not be a good idea to disturb their father when he is preparing for a film. It's much safer to play downstairs. Bruce reads a great deal, but realizes he can do little with his ideas unless he keeps in peace. Bruce Lee proved that when it came to Kung Fu, no one could touch him. But he never stopped trying to improve. Even designed his own exercise equipment to ensure it was exactly what he required. This gymnasium took 8 months to build, but it suited Bruce's specifications exactly. He may not be the last to own a private gym, but he was the first Kung Fu artist to do so in Hong Kong. Bruce Lee lived in the quiet, exclusive district of Kowloon Tong, the home of many other movie stars and affluent businessmen. This was his garden, rare in crowded Hong Kong, a calm, serene oasis. It gave Bruce the chance to contemplate nature. It was a place he used to escape the hectic pace of show business life. His family decide to return to Seattle. Even his dog seems to know something is wrong, that the family is leaving. His master is dead. His home stands empty. Only memories of the past remain here. His gymnasium. This was Bruce Lee's study, where he sat alone to think, to develop ideas for his films, surrounded by mementos of his career. His stereo. His weights. A scribbled note. Paintings and posters. His clothes. His belt, his dog. Things which we take for granted in life, but now only reminders of happier times. A few days after the funeral in Hong Kong, Linda and her children arrive at the airport to take Bruce back to America.